So let's see. Okay, so it talks about the For You page. It talks about how it's shaping your information diet. Second order effects are that people scroll too much, right? Which is true, right? That the algorithm is feeding your need for more information, right? Infinite scroll, notification systems, dark pattern. Yeah. Okay, guys, so what do you think? What a great answer. What a great answer. I love it. So let me know in the chat. What do you guys think of Claude's answer? So Claude is telling us that the recommendation engine is the worst part of our lives right now. And you know what? I tend to agree because I remember that I was reading this article that was talking about recommendation algorithms. And I think the engineer worked for Netflix or something like that. And they talked about this concept where, actually, I think it might have been a YouTube engineer. So they talked about this concept where um, there's a lot of videos, right? There's a lot of things that a recommendation engine can expose you to. And in fact, it's too much, right? So they have to find ways to actually kind of narrow down your potential recommendations. So even though you're looking for recommendations of things you like, they don't use the entire data set. They use a subset of the data set and then make recommendations from that, right? And the reason they can do that is because there's the basic concept of that you as a consumer, you don't know what you don't know. So you actually never experience what are the things outside of that subset that maybe are of interest to you and could be useful to you, but you'll never know, right? Because your whole universe of things that exist are that recommendation engine, right? So right now, you could be missing out on some really good quality content that you'll enjoy, that helps you, that helps your family, but you'll never know because the recommendation engine, like artificially, I guess you could say, or out of necessity, cuts down your potential universe of ideas and things that you're exposed to, right? So I just thought that was a really interesting way that they look at it, where they kind of don't care. They know that they're kind of harming you, right? That they're not exposing you to everything. But just as a technical necessity, they say, well, we'll only make recommendations from this.